Okay, Assalamualaikum. So this video will talk about the atomic structure. Okay, so as we learned before, the solid, liquid, and gases are made up of matter. So matter, the circle things that you draw in solid, okay, is contain atomic structure. Okay, if we zoom this atomic structure, okay, it's actually they have a, we call in the middle, this one we call as nucleus. Okay, so outside of nucleus you have shell. This is your first shell and this is your second shell and so forth. Okay, so remember in the middle one you call this one as nucleus, so this one you call as shell. Okay, this is first shell, this is second shell. Okay, so what is important with atomic structure? So inside nucleus, you will have subatomic particles. We call, okay, subatomic particle. Okay, so inside nucleus, what do you have? This white color is, you have neutron. And this one you have proton. Okay, so inside nucleus you will have two subatomic particle, which is neutron and proton, and outside nucleus the one that rotate or move around the nucleus we call as or electron. Okay, so in this shell you will have electron that moving around the nucleus, that will orbit through the nucleus. Okay, so for subatomic particle you have three only. Okay, neutron, you have proton, and then you have electron. Okay, so neutron, from the name itself, it means neutral, means they doesn't have charge or no charge. Okay, proton is positive charge and electron is negative charge. Okay, it is this, so you need to know about the charge. Okay, so other than that, you need to know about the what we call the relative atomic mass. Okay, so relative atomic mass for the, what is a relative atomic mass? Relative atomic mass is we will cover more in the next chapter, but so it's just more like the weight, but it's not a weight actually. It's just a relative mass for the proton. Okay, so proton, the relative mass is 1. Okay, neutron, the relative mass also 1. And electron, it almost negligible, where the relative mass is 1 over 1840. So it's more, almost something like 0.0000 lah. So basically what you need to understand here, proton and neutron here is more heavy compared to your electron. So that is the properties about the subatomic particles that you need to understand about their charges and about their relative atomic mass. Okay, so of course the nucleus and the electron will have attraction. As you know, the different charge, positive proton and negative from electron, will attract to each other. So that's why this electron will rotate through the nucleus, because they can have a attraction. Okay, you will learn more details about this attraction later. Okay, so for now I hope you understand what subatomic particles do you have inside your nucleus. Okay, so now, mm, from this, you need to know some terms. Okay, the first terms you need to know is about uh, proton number. Okay, so you need to know about your proton number. So proton number, the definition is number of proton in neutron. In nucleus. Okay, so for atom, okay, you need to understand for atom, the properties for atom, the proton number of proton equals to number of electron. Okay, so for example, you have aluminium. Okay, aluminium, they have 13 proton. So aluminium atom also will have 13 electron. Okay, why? Because that is the concept of atom. Proton number same with electron. So that's why you need to know about atomic structure. Once you know the proton number, you also will know the electron number inside the atom. Okay, so next, so that is about proton number, and then you need to know about your nucleon number. Okay, nucleon number, the definitions of the nucleon number is total number. Total number of proton and neutron in nucleus. So as you know that in nucleus, you will have proton, you will have neutron. So if you add all proton and neutron here, we call that as nucleon number. For example, here you look at the diagrams that I draw. I have two proton, I have two neutron. So my nucleon is 4. Okay, so that is the definitions. Total number. Total number means addition. You add proton and you add neutron.